How to change lock screen password on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen password on your Android device. Whether you want to update it for better security or just because it's time for change. I will walk you through the steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and head over to the settings. You can either tap the gear icon on your home screen or swipe down from the top of your screen and tap on settings gear from the notification panel. Once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and look for the option fingerprint, face lock and screen lock. Once you have found it, simply tap on it. Now tap on screen lock or screen lock type, and this is where you can manage your current lock screen method. Now here in this section you will see the list of available lock screen options like pattern, pin and password. You can choose the one that you prefer. For now I am choosing the pin. And after that you will enter the section where you need to enter your new password. Make sure it's something secure and also easy for you to remember. Once you have entered it, simply tap on continue or next and confirm it by re-entering your same password again. And after confirming your new password, simply tap OK or done to save the changes and your new lock screen password is now set. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.